Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to upload Spotify music on Snapchat. There are two methods to upload Spotify music on Snapchat. So first of all, let's dive into the first method. Start by going to the Spotify app and choose the music you want to share on Snapchat. Now click on the search icon from the bottom bar and search for the song you want to add. Now go into the song and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Then scroll down and select share, choose copy link. After that, open up the Snapchat app and takes a black photo on Snapchat, for example. Then from the scroll down menu, select the pen icon and paste the copied URL. Then click on the attach snap option. After that, your selected song will now appear in your Snapchat. Now we will discuss the second method, for which you have to open Spotify and select the song you want. Then tap the three dots and choose the share option. After that, select the snapshot option from here. Now your chosen song will appear directly in your Snapchat. Before posting your Spotify song on Snapchat, take advantage of Snapchat's creative tools. Add captions, stickers, and filters to make your snap more engaging. If you are an artist or involved in music promotion, consider reaching out to Snapchat Discover Publisher for potential features. Snapchat Discover is a curated platform for content creators. Encourage your Snapchat followers to engage with your music content. Ask for their thoughts, opinions, or song requests. This interaction can help build a stronger connection with your audience. If you're sharing music-related content regularly, you might want to use SnapMap to share your location and connect with nearby friends or followers who will share similar music interests. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.